Hello, we've got my physics major project, and so basically what I did is I took the 100 kg bench and I just combined it with everything related to motion we have done in this class, and like energy and all that stuff. So this is the important stuff. So I took 100 kg as my mass. That's the gravity. That's the time I took, and the height of the bar, and the height at my chest. And we can subtract these two to get the displacement, and we are considering that the bar paused on my chest, then it was pushed up with a constant velocity. Yep, so the initial velocity is taken as 0, and we're calculating the force applied from the chest, from pushing from my chest to the top. And first things first, we got the distance traveled, which is basically the displacement, and the time to calculate our average velocity. And since we have our average velocity and we have our initial velocity, we can calculate our final velocity using this equation, which is pretty easy. And since our acceleration will also be constant because our velocity is constant, so we can use this equation to find out our acceleration, which comes out to be 0.04 meters per second squared. And we can find our energies, and when we find these out, the mechanical energy should be equal, but they're not because my muscles are applying some force. So there's a difference in the mechanical energies, and if my calculations are right, that should be the work done by me. And to calculate the work done, we need force and displacement. And for force, there would be two types of forces applied. One that I'm applying upwards, and the one that's being applied downwards by gravity. And if I just combine these two, I should have the total force, which comes out to be 985, as you can see. And there are the work done, and since the work done is equal to the missing energy, that means my calculations were hopefully right. And for fun, I just decided to compare myself to the car I drive. So I needed the power, which is equal to the work over time. And apparently my chest produces 98.5 watts while I'm bench pressing. I think it's pretty impressive, but not sure. And my car produces a little bit too much, so I'm nowhere close, which kind of expected. So it would take around 1,200 of me to me doing bench presses to move my car, which is pretty crazy, not gonna lie. I hope you liked my presentation, and I'll send you the link to the doc as well. Thank you.